Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Oh, hello everybody.
So today I am just doing a kind of share with me video, and I recently had somebody ask me how I watch my videos on YouTube or on my iPad, and here it is right here. That's me recording. Oh, isn't that weird? That's cool. Anyways. That was kind of fun. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys how I do that. Now, what I have is I have this little tiny camera, and I have two of them, and the reason why is because they did not come with a case, and I scratched the lid of mine, or the lens, and so it looks really weird. So we just picked up, I don't know if you can see the scratch, it looks like it's right there. But we went ahead and bought another one. The good thing is these are pretty cheap. They're just the Activion camera. And I will put a link below. You can get them on Amazon, so if you want to, or you can go to the Activion store. But this is what I use to record. Now,
good. It really is.
It is really good. And the reason I got this is because when we were recording, the cameras I was using, which were really expensive cameras, you know, I couldn't ever figure out the zoom, and like when it would set on something far away like this, then, you know, it focus on that, but if I put my hand in the picture, it'd focus on my finger, which was fine, and then I set it, you know, so the zoom would not move, but I wasn't able to bring things up so you could see them. So Clint actually saw this. It was on Dillboss.
Yeah. Matt Granite.
Matt Granite at Dillboss.com. And it's just a cheap kind of GoPro. And what I wanted is just something that there is no focus, or it's, you know, it just, if I bring it up to you, you can see it. If it's far away, you can see it. And that's what I was getting frustrated at. Now, I have been doing videos for 4 or 5 years, and I have tried the phone. I have recorded on my iPad. My phone had no, you know, no storage, and so that's frustrating. I tried on my iPad. I've used 2 or 3 different really expensive cameras, and this is my favorite of all time, just because I can just pretty much plug it in and forget about it. So if you get one of these, I'm going to show you how to set it. Now, this one does not have a memory card in it, so you're going to see a little error, but that's okay. You just hold down the button, and it's just the red button. You hold it down until it does 3 beeps. Try to do this with one hand. And then the white button, see the red and the white? Okay. The white button, you're going to hold it down until the menu comes up. And then you're going to use that little white button, and you're just going to like pulse it, and it's going to move it. So you want to go down to the little magnifying glass there, click on that, and I really like just the 2 times zoom. I can bring my light down, you know, if I need it closer or whatever, so I just pulse on it again, and then you hit the red to accept it. Okay, and then you're going to go to the 3 lines. Sorry. Okay, there it is. And then you're going to hit the red, because that's to accept it. And then it says Wi-Fi app. And then you have an Activion Wi-Fi app on your iPad. And I'll show you that real quick. But you're going to go ahead and do the red to accept it. And then it'll say waiting for connection. Okay, so, and then you control it from your iPad. So you go in, and I'm going to close out of the app, and I'm going to record just from the camera. Okay, and then here is my iPad, and what I do is I always go to settings here, and then I go to my Wi-Fi, and my setting will come up, so that same one that says waiting to connect on your camera comes up there. So you want to cancel. I don't know what asked me for that. Okay, don't look.
Who, me?
No, I was teasing them. It says that I need to put in my, see if I remember my password. Oh, incorrect. See, I can't even remember my own password. Anyways, you do that. And then, once you're done and you're connected, you just hit, here's the app. You hit this, and it'll take you here. And this will light up like a rainbow. And then you click on that, and you can control your camera directly from your iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, reconnect to that, and then I'll show you the rest of my station, how I have everything else set up. Okay, so now we're back on the app, and I just kind of wanted to show you kind of what my station kind of looks like. We have this large table that folds down, so it has a drop leaf. So the center of it is about 12 inches or so. And so whenever I'm done crafting, which is pretty much never,
True.
we put the leaves down. So Clint, a lot of times, will have his sewing machine right here. And I don't think they can see you, do you?
Good, no, I'm good. Well, hi, Chloe.
So, you know, he can be working right there beside me. And I always, always, always have my table real spotless like it is today. And there's never any clutter or anything. I'm surprised Clint didn't say anything because it's usually covered. But we have a cat pillow over there. Ignore any cat hair. You know how it is. And then I just have a cut mat here. That's what I used to use a lot when I was making cards. Some of you may not know, but I used to design clear stamp sets and sell those. But I always have this down. It's just really nice for measuring, things like that. And then if I cut or do paint or something, then it doesn't get all over. But see, I can just watch what's going on my iPad. And that's, you know, the easiest thing for me, because before I had this little camera, I would have to look straight up and down from it. Oh no. Is that gonna work?
I don't know, I think I'd rather have my other thing more.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you what else I have. I got a ring light, and this is what I normally use. And it's a ring light. Can you see it? Let me see from the top. There you go. I always put that on because the way our lights are in here, I would have really dark shadows, and that was really annoying to me. It's not necessary. If you're interested in this, in getting a ring light, I have had really great luck with it. And I really love it. I think it's really nice. Now, then, what we did is we rigged up like a holder. And it's actually like a little iPad holder. And then this is where my camera goes. Let me grab my other one. And I typically have it in here, like this. And then I can, you know, move my... Can you see that? There's Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
Can you show Chloe?
Hi, Chloe.
Show how beautiful she is.
Look how pretty she is. Sorry.
She's
You guys know we're going to talk about the cats. Here she is.
We just woke, me and her just
Chloe.
woke up a little bit ago from our nap.
Hi, baby. How are you? This is our baby girl. She's about 4 or 5. Hi, honey. You want to be on camera?
Sweetheart.
Yeah, your fans. Uh-oh, here comes little Turbot. There's little Cubster. Hi, Bubba.
We played and snuggled.
Yeah, they played and snuggled. Chloe and Daddy, they sleep, take naps. She tells him when it's nap time. But yeah, I will link all of these components below. But what we did is we just kind of, I can't see now because of the cats, clamped it to my ring light. And then I just kind of maneuvered it so that it would show what I want it to show, and you know, I don't get the glare and stuff. And then because it kind of has an opening right here, I can plug it in. So because the cameras don't last that long, the batteries of the cameras, so you know, a full battery might last an hour, or you guys know I can ramble for longer than an hour.
Oh,
So so that's pretty much my setup. This is kind of where we are in our house when we are working. If we're lucky, the cats lay on their pillow, and like I said, my desk is always spotless like this.
she's so full of crap.
So I hope this helped you guys. Again, I will put everything that I use on the link below, so on Amazon, so you guys can go over there. Like I said, I think these cameras are amazing for YouTube. These are my all-time favorite. And I think, you know, for as inexpensive as they are, I mean, they're less than 40 bucks, I think. For as expensive as they are, I think the microphones are great. The battery lasts, you know, a full battery will last right at an hour. And, you know, the way we have it figured up, you can plug it in and charge it while you're recording or whatever. And then if you have an iTab, that app also supposedly works with an iPhone and other, you know, things too. So if you don't have an iPad, don't go out and buy an iPad, just use what you have and look and see if the app is compatible with what you already have at home.
Yeah, I can't. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I know you can go ahead and put it like on a laptop, the app. So, you know, surely you have something at home. You know, invest in, you know, maybe just the camera, invest in the ring light. You know, you might be 120 bucks. So it's really not that bad. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys what my setup is, and I hope that helps somebody. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
See you later.